Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about ChatGPT and how we can use ChatGPT to learn Python for beginner. So, ChatGPT is a very powerful natural language processing tool driven by AI technology. It allows you to have a human-like conversation and also more much with a chatbot. So this language actually can answer the questions, can like assist you in your assignments, in even in with complex tasks, like if you want to solve some equations, ChatGPT can do it for you. So let's start and give you one example how you can use ChatGPT in order to learn Python. So first of all, let me mention something important, that when you ask ChatGPT for a certain task, try to be more specific. Okay, so it depends on how clever you are. You ask the question, the result you will get, the better result you will get. So first, like if I ask ChatGPT, can you make a plan to me to learn Python beginner level? So I also instruct him to like please include the references with links. Okay, so he built me a plan. So for week 1, week 2 till week 8. Okay, how we can start learning Python by first introductions, then working about with lists, strings, and functions. Week 3 for with control flow and loops. File handling and error handling for week 4, and so on. So now, if suppose I want to start to learn Python according to the plan ChatGPT give it to me with like week 1. So learn about Python syntax, data type, basic programming. Okay, so I directly went and I asked ChatGPT, please give me a full tutorial of week 1. Okay, to learn week 1 tutorial. So he gave me a full tutorial from day 1 until day 6 to 7. Okay, so he instructed me to learn first introduction to Python, about the features, about the syntax, data type, then how we can install Python, and the environments, what IDE you can use like PyCharm and VS Code, and he include the references that how we can download Python. Then he in day 3 like Python syntax and data types and so on. So now after that I ask ChatGPT, please you present to me a tutorial about syntax and data types. So because here in the first one he mentioned that you need to start by learning the syntax and data types. So he built me like a tutorial for Python syntax, but those are most of them are not. So because of that, I mentioned that you need to be more clever. So I paraphrase this question, and I ask him to give me like I want this tutorial, that one he write it here above. I want this tutorial to be with coding examples. Okay, so he directly start to give me a tutorial. Okay, update the tutorial for building like the Python syntax, like if statement, like the comments, how we can include the comments, how we can like example that statement we can use without semicolon, how we can define variables like integers, like float, like strings, data types. Also he like give one example about lists and also tuple, dictionary. So all those examples and even the arithmetic operations So this is really amazing that ChatGPT able to give you a full tutorial about any topic you want to learn easily. And the last thing I wanted to mention, and it's really amazing that you can also test your knowledge after this tutorial. So look, I told him that I have finished the above tutorial. Could you write me a test? So he directly write a test for me about what I have learned in the above tutorial. And also he attached at the end the answers for those questions. Okay. So this is really amazing AI tools that you can use it to learn, and you can get access to different references and resources, available resources, in just a few seconds. So that's for this tutorial. Thank you very much for listening, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.